Okay. So next topic. Okay, next 11th rule. 11th rule. For example, here the sentence is Bill shot Bob. Bill shot Bob. Bill shot Bob. Bill is the picture producer, and he shot the Bob using a gun. Bill shot the Bob is the sentence. So to represent this, this is the method used. First, the action part is this is Bill. Okay, this is Bill, and he's the picture producer in the sentence. So Bill is here, and this is the action part. The action part is represented in this way. Here, propel is used. Propel. Okay. The action is propel. Action is propel, and the object is bullet. Here, this relation is used. This rule is used, and that is using a gun. He fired a bullet, and who is the receiver? Bob is the receiver. So this part means Bill shot a bullet. Bill shot a bullet using a gun. This is the first part of the sentence. So Bill shot is represented in this way. Then the next is its consequence. Okay, Bill shot Bob. Bill shot Bob is represented in this way. Then additionally, this also is added. What is this means? Bill shot the Bob. Suppose and he died, and Bob died. In that case, suppose the text it is not there, and Bob died. Suppose this is the sentence. So you want to represent Bill shot the Bob using this. Then he died is there. He died. Bob died. That concept is represented in this way. Okay. That is here health minus 10 like this. This is just a way of representing, and this is just like a rule. So if you want to express died, then you should express in this way. So health, basically they set a health variable, and suppose health is equal to initially 100, then after that died to represent died, health decreased to minus 10. In this way, died concept is implemented. In this way, died concept is implemented. Then we combine both, okay, using an arrow mark. So this is the consequent part. So this is 11th rule, and okay, this is the 11th rule. Okay. So this is about the conceptual dependency. So I will give some assignments based on this topic also. So for example, I given a sentence, John took the book from Mary. And then you should represent it in the conceptual dependency format, semantic network format, predicate calculus format, and so on. Okay, so this type of questions they will ask from in the examination. So this is about the conceptual dependency, and there are 14 rules. You should use these rules wisely. Then, okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the frame system. Sorry, script. Script is the next topic. Scripts. So, what is a script? A mechanism for representing knowledge about common sequence of events. Common sequence of events. For example, if you want to represent a sequence of events, then you can use script. So after happening an event, another event happens, then another event, and so on. Then you can use a script representation. So that is the significance of script. That is the use of script. A mechanism for representing knowledge about common sequences of event. Okay. Okay. Next, a script is a structure that describes it is defined in this way. A script is a structure that describes a stereotyped sequence of events in a particular context. Anyway, just it's a definition about the script. So what is the use of script for representing the common sequence of events? For example, anyway, next we are going to discuss about the components of a script. Components of a script. So the main components are one entry condition. Okay, one is the entry condition. So that entry condition or descriptor of the word that must be true for the script to be called. This entry condition should be true. Then only the script will be executed. Okay, so the components, first one is entry condition, second one is result or fact. Results or facts that are true once the script has terminated. Okay, after executing the script, it should produce a result, okay, or fact. That is the second component. Next is props. Okay, props, or the things that support the content of script. Props or things. Props, what is the meaning of props? Things that support the content of script. Things that support the content of script is called props. So props is there. Similarly, roles are the actions that each individual participant perform. Another component is roles. Another is scenes. Breaks the script into a sequence of scenes, each of which represent temporal aspect of the script. So another component is scene. Now we can take an example and discuss about the script. So this is an example of restaurant script. This is the example used in the textbook, restaurant script. So just for understanding, if you consider the script, there is a name, script, restaurant. Okay. So then another is, we told props are the props. What is the meaning of props? What is props? Props means this one, third one. Things that support the content of script. In the case of a restaurant script, tables, food, money, etc. The props. Just try to understand what is props. These are actually object involved in the script. Object involved in the script are called props. Okay. Just try to understand that concept. What is props? Next, what is roles? Roles means persons involved in the script. They are creating the actions. So there are called roles. So what is roles? Are the actions that each individual participant perform. Are the actions. So roles means a customer, waiter, cook, cashier, owner. These are all the roles. Next, just to familiarize with the concept. Another is entry condition. Okay. What is entry condition? These are the entry conditions here defined. For example, there is an S. There is a person S. S is a person. S is hungry and S has money. This is the entry condition of the script. So this condition should be true for the script to execute. Okay. If a customer S is there, S is hungry, S has money, then if it is true, then only the script defined will be executed. So in the restaurant script case, entry conditions are S is hungry, S has money. Then another part is result. So after executing the script, there will be some result. So these are the result here. S has less money or has more money. S is not hungry. S is pleased. These are the different result of after executing the script. So, and just we are trying to familiarize with the script system and trying to find out the components in that. So we discussed props, which are the things in the script, roles, which are the actors in the script, then result. After script terminates, it should produce a result. Next, there should be an entry condition. For example, has hungry and has money. Then only they can customer can enter the restaurant. So entry conditions will be. So if the entry condition is true, then script will be executed and it produce an output. Things are the props, roles are the actors. Then another component is last component is scene. Okay, what is scene? The scripts breaks the scripts into a sequence of scenes, each of which represent temporal aspect of the script. So what it means that you can check here, scene 1, it is entering. Scene 1 is entering. So after entering, he will execute some actions here. So this is actually represented in conceptual dependency format. S trans into restaurant, S entered into restaurant. So these are the sequence of events after entering to the scene. Okay. So this is scene 1. Then corresponding to the scene 1, there will be a lot of actions. So in a scene, there are different actions. Then scene 2. Scene 2 is ordering. Scene 2 is ordering. So a script contains different screens. Scenes. So this is scene 1, entering. Then corresponding actions will be there. Similarly, scene 2. Scene 2 is ordering. then these are the sequence of actions to be executed, which is represented in the conceptual dependency format. Just try to understand that concept. So these are the different actions to be executed. So this is about the scene. Okay, this is scene 3, eating. So what is eating means? It is represented. This is eating. So if we want to eat, you should take the spoon from the table, then take some rice, then put it in mouth. That are the sequence of actions that you should be executed. That is actually here in the textbook, it is represented using conceptual dependency. So basically you should understand that a scene involves a lot of actions. So from one scene you can go to another scene. Okay, for example, you can from scene 3 you can go to scene 4. So similarly, from this scene you can go to scene 4. So in this way scenes are related. So just try to understand what is script, what is script system, what are the components, and then example. Restaurant script. Here the problem is here scene 1 is there. These are the actions which is represented in the textbook using conceptual dependency, not English-like sentences. They are represented it using conceptual dependency format. Anyway, let's try to understand the concept. There are several scenes are there. Inside the screens, events are ordered. Various events are ordered. Various events are ordered. Okay. So this is about the script system. This is about the script system. After executing the scripts scenes, you will get a result. You will get a result. So this is about the script system. Okay. Okay, next we want to discuss another topic. Last topic in